All right. Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? We are back. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, not going to keep you long, but want to come back out with this one real quick as I've been seeing some questions about it. All right, the new cash storm has arrived. My automatic pay, I've been talking to you guys about this one. It's been around for 2 years, and they revamped the comp plan. All right, so anyway, today I want to talk about this real quick, the postcard marketing. So how you can promote this thing offline. All right, so you see me talk about online a lot, but I found my success with offline marketing, with postcard marketing, back in 2012, 2013, right? Because I didn't understand. I failed miserably at the online marketing. I didn't learn the skill. All right, I just came out full force from the MLM marketing niche, and it doesn't work the same way. Okay, what you learn in MLM doesn't work the same way online. So failed at that miserably, but I figured out how to do the postcard marketing, direct mail. All right. So, and then eventually I learned the online marketing. But want to talk about this real quick, because we talk about a lot of online marketing, doing everything, social media, right, and all that type of thing. So with this program, MAP, they give you the resource and show you how you can promote this program offline. And they give you the templates for the postcards, okay? So this one pays out $200 and $400 commissions. You can get this, guys. This is a done-for-you system, digital marketing. They've got the capture pages and everything you need. Take a look right here. Go check this out at www.getpaidfromhome.info. The link is in the description. All right, so here's all their capture pages. They're already set up. All you have to do is plug in. Over here, they have their own system. It's all in one, built in one system. They have the autoresponder, the capture pages, the follow-up emails. All that is already here. You're just going to plug in. Okay, you don't have to set up anything. Only thing you're going to need to do when you first get in here is go here where it says start here and set up your payment option. Okay. That's it, the way this one works, okay? Because this system is already done. So when you click here, when you first get signed up, right, you go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. You make your payment, all right? You'll probably see a page like this, right? Watch this video, come down here, and make your $200 payment, and then it's $67. There's no monthly fees. $67 goes to the company. $200 will come to me, right? Then you're going to get your email, all right, welcoming you and your login information. You're going to log in. When you log in, you come here. See, it says right here, start here. Complete your profile. That's your name, email, and your address. Step 2, set up your payment option, right? Payment options over here, they give you more options that you can select from. Authorize.net, PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Dinero, Manual, whatever you want here, and then Venmo, guys. All right, set that up, and then you're ready to start promoting it. All right, you're going to activate your site right here. Just follow along the left side of the control panel. Click here, it tells you what to do. Activate your site, and then click there, and then the capture pages come up, right? That's how that would go, okay? So, here's the capture pages. I want you to see these. Here's the pages. Just select which one you want to use. All right, see right here it says make primary. Make it your primary. Boom, it's time to start promoting. Next thing under that is what? Get traffic. So get traffic, you come here, and I want to talk about the postcards. So we go to postcards, right? And right here, the templates are already here. This is your do-it-yourself postcard page, which means you will need postcards, postage, and your labels. All right, I'm going to get into the labels in a second. but they have the postcard templates. Just select which one you want. Come here. Here's one. I think this is one I used before. I've had that one, I believe. These strange times demand a fast payout program. That's an attention grabber there, right? Here's one, recession proof. So you see the front and the back, right? Then here's another one. This one's stupid simple system, pays you all day like magic. A proven system that does 99% of the work for you. And all you're going to do is drop these cards in the mail, right? So you don't have to worry about online if you don't want to do online. All right, so you get 500 postcards here for $105. All right, that includes the shipping. All right, and so all you got to do is get your stamps. Now, if you're interested in this and you do want to get started and you want to mail postcards, I will mail you 200 leads to get you started. That's the labels that they're talking about, right? You're going to need the postcards. You're going to order them from here, the postcards. You're going to get your stamps. You want to get postcard stamps, not the first class stamps. All right, when you go to the post office, tell them you want postcard stamps. And then I'll mail you 200 leads to get you going if you want to do the mailing. All right, so this is where you would come. All right, order the cards right here. You can get 500 for $105. That includes the shipping. If you want 1,000, $130 includes the shipping. If you want 2,500 postcards, $190 includes the shipping. If you want 5,000 postcards, it's $305 includes the shipping. We don't ship to P.O. boxes, so you need to give them a real address, all right, and they'll mail those out to you. All right, just click this button right here. It says order postcards. Okay, and so I'll send you 200 leads, and then I will also provide you some mailing list companies that you can order your leads from going forward. All right, leads, the labels. Okay, that is names and addresses of people that's interested in making money online. They'll come on peel and stick labels. All you have to do is put the label on there in the address section, put your stamp on them, boom, drop them in the mail. All right, guys. So that is a form of marketing. That's offline marketing, postcard marketing, direct mail. Okay, so just want to point that out. Now, of course, they've got other traffic sources on here, as we talked about before, the drop cards. All right, you've got solo ads, that's traffic, paid advertising, texting scripts. If you want to text folks, they tell you what to text them. Drop cards, which I've showed you guys those before, look like $100 bills. You can order those and drop them discreetly when you're out and about. Okay, they even have a sales letter for people that like to mail letters. Some people like letters, okay, when they want to stuff them in envelopes and put the stamp on them and labels. They have that as well. So all your resources you need far as getting traffic is right here. Because again, I know some people don't like online marketing. Okay, I talk to people all the time. Some just don't want to do online. So here is an option, and this company gives you the postcard. You don't have to go out and create one or find a company that will do it for you. The template is already here. These have been used and proven. Even when it was the $247 payouts, before they switched it to $200 and $400, those convert. I bought some of these cards. All right, so now they have the $200 and $400 level. All right, so these have already been proven, guys, to work. So you just decide, and you can mix and match, right? Maybe you want to try these, 1,000 of these, and then come back and try 500 of these. You can mix it however you want. All right, so not a bad price, and shipping is included on these prices that I'm reading to you. All right, so just wanted to come back and show you guys that. So if you want to do offline, this program is direct sales, member to member, and I just showed you can select which payment options you want to select. So when folks go to your page, they click that buy now button. All right, it gives them those different options, okay, so that they can pay you. All right. Now, this is not a get rich quick. You have to do some work. So either you're gonna promote this online, you're gonna do the promoting, or you're gonna do paid traffic, right? Or you're gonna mail postcards. You got to do something to get eyeballs to your website. All right. That's how affiliate marketing goes. You got to do a little bit, put a little elbow grease into it. All right. Now, here's one of the pages that I'm using. Let me show you one of those. Let's go back here. This page right here. All right. So this is the capture page. That's one. All right. I like this one. But they have several. You can decide what you want. They have that one. They have this one. Right. All these are great. This is a brand new one that just came out with. All right, so you can select either one. Here's another one. All right, and these are already done. Okay, all you have to do is select it in here where it tells you activate your site, and you're gonna pick one of these pages, and you're gonna click make primary. Okay, that's how that goes. All right, guys. So go check this out. Go to www.getpaidfromhome.info and watch this little video here where the owner does the video. He talks about it. All right, this is what does the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to, so that you can bank these payments. And there's no cap here because this is instant pay. So the more traffic, right, the more people you send to your page, right, the greater chances of you getting leads, sales, and signups. That's it. It's a numbers game. That's why I'm showing you guys traffic sources. Speaking of, let me show you two resources that you may want to check into, right? So that's postcard marketing. But what if you do want to do something online, right? You don't have to do the work. Check this out. Let me show you. Okay, you can join our co-op. We have a co-op here, right? All you have to do is come here, fill this out, guys. Create your free account, right? And order you some traffic, right? You don't have to do any work here. Just give them your link, right, to your page. Pick one of these capture pages. Let me show you. Hang on. Create your free account, right? Enter your information where I just showed you. Then come here, log in, says Campaign Manager. Buy co-op packages, right? Come in here. Look, for $25, as low as, there's other ones, but for $25, you come here, one-time payment, or you can set up a subscription and it will run every month. And this runs for a whole month, okay? Let's be clear. This co-op package, when you select it, it's going to run for the whole month. All you have to do is give them your URL that you want to promote. All right. So when you come here, here's my campaign. It's going to kick in August. See right here, it says I am booked for August. For the month of August, it's going to run. Just type your link in here, and it takes a few hours for them to approve it, and then you're ready to roll. All right. So another great resource. Okay, another great resource here for getting traffic, eyeballs, visitors to your website. All right, but you want to use a capture page, right? So that you can capture this information and the system can follow up with them. And you can check the analytics and the results. So you'll know, oh, is this really working? Where are these leads coming from? Where are these signups coming from, right? All right, so another great resource, traffic co-op here for a whole $25. All right, so that's a great way you can do that too. Because for people that, hey, I don't want to really do any online social media, here you go. Give them your link. Okay, get in. Now remember, it's for all right now. This is for August, so you have to do this right away, because I believe 2 days before August 1st. You're not going to be able to get in for the August co-op. You'll end up in the September co-op. All right. So just want to point that out. All right. So go check this program out. you can do. So that could be offline marketing for you, right? That's offline marketing. And then you got online, but you're not having to do it because you're just paying for the co-op. All right, so a great way to get started. So go check this out at www.getpaidfromhome.info. If you want the co-op, the link is in the description. All right, to get that co-op. All right, guys, just wanted to show you that. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.